Can you predict the future? What do you say? I got yes? No? To a degree. Thank you. I love that. Okay, because that's what I want to say. It depends. You can predict the future. To the extent that the past is like the future, you can use plenty of data. There's wonderful forecasting tools. You can project into the future with a reasonable degree of confidence. Here's the problem with this, though, is that we have decades of research that indicates that we think we can predict better than we actually can predict. If that's a problem at the individual level, it's a real problem at the organizational level because we've now built systems based on an assumption that we can predict the future. The way we often do strategic planning, the way we do budgeting, the way we do talent development. This is where I'd like to make a quick distinction between foresight and forecasting. Forecasting is when we draw from data to predict the most likely future. Foresight is when we anticipate the range of possible futures. Predict the most likely future, anticipate the range of possible futures. Foresight does not replace forecasting. It makes forecasting more effective. And we have evidence that when organizations do some element of foresight work, their forecasts actually do become better. The question then becomes, why are more organizations not putting work into foresight? Why is it we're not doing this? I would advocate it's because we already have plenty to do. We actually have we have a lot to do for today. I don't have time to add something else, another training, another session to facilitate, another workshop, another way to redesign a system. That is a luxury I do not have. What if I told you, though, that you can introduce this into your organization by doing what you already have to do, but just doing it a little differently? That's what I think is really exciting, because can we take the work of understanding the future and transfer it into something that impacts the way we deal with today right now?